Good morning.
Good morning, good morning. Welcome
back.
Okay, welcome back
to 17,000 Flavors of Indonesia.
So today we're gonna do something different. I've never cooked
Lamb chops.
Lamb chop, lamb shank.
Well, it was a lamb shank and then you cut it up, so we're gonna call it lamb chops.
Okay, lamb chop. I mean, I cook a lot of lamb back then when I was in Indonesia or here, but different way. We stew the lamb, we saute the lamb, or we make like a satay lamb. And then we gonna use bumbu merah today, the spicy.
And remember, that's got the little spicy kick to it.
Okay, I'm gonna put salt a little bit, just a little bit.
And this is the umami that he likes to use.
And white pepper. Okay, here. See that? I love white pepper and garlic. Okay. Fat here. Can produce oil. Okay, let's put.
This little happy call is very good to use.
Okay.
People should have one.
Just cover it. Then we're gonna put this. Spoon. Can you bring me spoon?
Yeah.
Just a little bumbu merah, perhaps like 2-3 spoon. 1 spoon of bumbu kuning. Okay. That's done. So whatever is left over from here. Yeah. And next, this is bumbu kuning and bumbu merah. Red seasoning and yellow seasoning. Just combine. Chang, we gonna apply some of the sauce because it's almost done. So you put it back just to make it cook. Continue cook. Okay. Ooh, look at that.
Push it around in the seasoning there. Put it back in the pan. I'm just going to cover it on this one. I'm just going to put it around too. Maybe like a couple minutes. Okay, so it's almost done.
I think probably like 2 more minutes and it's done. Okay. Yeah.
Use this tortillas. Okay. Let's see.
Isn't that pretty?
Just put it like that. Then now. Ooh.
You want to put more? That we just put a little bumbu merah on the side. Before bumbu merah, I'm going to put umami, salt, a little bit. Okay. Okay. So now we're going to put bumbu merah. If you want to make this as a dressing to put it here, that's fine. Okay. Okay. Put it here. Okay. You are good. Take a look at that. Let me shake a bit.
Lamb shank with bumbu merah and a little bit bumbu kuning with tortillas and
fresh long
bean. Let's try.
Ding ding. So amazing.
The seasoning.
Yeah. And with the fresh long bean. To me, the long bean's got just a hint of sweetness. Oh yeah. Guys, for those that have never had lamb, amazing with BUMBU MERAH. It's just the perfect mix of that little kick of the chilies.
It's not really like spicy, but you have just
a little kick.
Yeah.
And always have a little extra. Put it in a bowl, put it on the side of your plate.
Or if you have Indonesian soy sauce mixed with this, I think we have. Okay. Make Indonesian soy sauce with this. I will put it here. A little bit. And then you mix with BUMBU MERAH and that.
The contrast of the spicy in the BUMBU MERAH with the sweetness of the Indonesian style soy sauce called ketchup manis, phenomenal. Even though on the bottom, the bottle, we make a suggestion with red meats and lamb. You can start there if you want, but go way out. I mean, don't be afraid to use these seasonings for anything else.
Yeah.
I was telling a customer last night that to me, this would also be great in a soup as well, because it's got that nice kick in there. Whether it's just vegetable, add some chicken, some shrimp or something, and then this to taste. Again, you know, it's hard for us to recommend a portion or a proportion to use. It really depends on you, but certainly always start with a nice, healthy, big tablespoon, and then let it cook a little bit, whatever you're cooking, and add beyond that. And then of course remember about the salt. We do very, very little salt in the production, and we leave that up to the individual. But this was obviously another quick and easy meal.
And tasty.
Oh my God. I just can't get enough. When we ever do get to Indonesia,
I'm done.
We always eat so, I mean, everything from the time we wake up to the time we go to bed very late.
But we maintain our
it's all fresh. It's not bad for you. Everything is fresh, freshly caught, freshly harvested. All the seasonings are fresh. They're the real thing. When I go there, I actually lose weight. I mean, granted, we're on the move a lot because you just do not want to be inside when you're in Indonesia, because there's just so much to do, and you just want to get out and just experience it. And certainly the food. And there you can eat 24 hours a day.
But this is very good.
Thanks for watching.
Don't forget to subscribe,
Share, like,
go to 17,000flavor .cooking, 17,000flavors.cooking, and buy the seasoning. If you buy 2, free shipping.
Or if you go on our restaurant website, Krakatoa Cuisine, you can order directly from there. Go to the section called Order Online. You can order dinner, lunch, And while you're at it, order some seasoning. And you can come by and pick it up. We can talk to you about the different seasonings. We'd love to do that. And make it great. So don't forget, make the world tastier with our seasonings here.
And thank you for watching, guys.
Have a great day.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.